told you it couldn't be done, but today you're here with John, the Tomorrow's Tech. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We're going to go out here to the 2013 Porsche Panamera. I'm going to show you guys how to hook up your phone with no cables, no wires, and stream all the music you want over your speakers. Sounds great. It's the best way to do it. Come on. Okay guys, we've made it out here to the 2013 Porsche Panamera. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and grab our key here. We're going to go ahead and crank the vehicle up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove the sexy mama real quick. Guys, don't get no ideas. She's already taken. Alright, so we're going to cut that down for a second. Alright, so once you get in here, you're going to come down to your source. So I'm going to zoom you guys in here just a little bit. Alright, so your source is going to be right here. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And you're going to notice that all you have... Oops. We're going to click on our auxiliary here. Alright, so at this point, we're going to go ahead and click on disk. Okay? Now this is going to bring you up to where you normally would hook your auxiliary cable in. We're going to click options. Alright, so from this point, we're going to go ahead and hit our set disks. Now, in your vehicle, your auxiliary Bluetooth is going to be unchecked. Alright, so what we're going to do is, I've got the iPhone here, so we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to move that to the side so you don't see that. Alright, so we're going to go in here, we're going to make sure that our Bluetooth is on. Okay. Go ahead and set our phone here in our nifty little holder. If you guys haven't seen the video on the best phone holder for the Porsche Panamera, make sure you guys check that out as well. Alright, so now that we've got our Bluetooth on, we're going to go ahead and click on the auxiliary Bluetooth tab here. Alright, now at that point you're going to go down to Bluetooth settings. We're going to click on list of Bluetooth players. We're going to click on John's iPhone. Now you're just going to give it a few seconds. You're going to notice that the auxiliary Bluetooth is clicked on here, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. Alright, and at that point guys, you can use whatever you want. I like to use Pandora, so we're going to go ahead and click on Pandora. Turn the volume up just a little bit here. Alright guys, if you like what you saw today, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. And guys, I really appreciate it. Hope you guys learned something good today. Now you're jamming out to your favorite music with any chords or anything in your console. Guys, see you on the next one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And while you're at it, check out some of my social media pages below and the new videos I got coming out next.